Right then, guys, quick review on the gold long trade that I've just taken, kind of pre New York, kind of on the crossover, not a problem. So in the Discord this morning, I give you two options. I had the idea here, option one, okay, we were gonna break this level and go bearish. That was actually a valid option. However, I was a bit late and I was pinpointing this area here. If you can see that area is marked on the screen. I sent a couple of you video on this as well as to why I wanted this level to break before going long. Then this was option two, right? So although I've deleted some of the zones, I don't really use the zones. I use them to show you areas of interest that I'm looking at, right? So price action came down. The short was here, by the way, okay? If we'd broken through this level, that's 7 a.m. Wait for the closure underneath and basically just take a short underneath this wick here, and that should have hit, I think that would have hit 400 pips. Just about, yeah, you would have just about got your 1R there, all right? I was then chatting with you in the room about potentially going short from here, which I updated once these highs were taken, right? So when we got this impulsive move back up to the upside, you can see that this high is taken out, and for me it still wasn't enough, right? Because we gotta close back above this level. 12:30 pre New York, we got the closure, all right? So I placed my buy stop order here and used my 400 pip take profit, 400 pip stop loss, and then the volume came in, and boy did it come in. It just, well, it basically plowed straight through TP in what, 36 minutes. So an absolutely amazing trade, done for the day, profit in the bag on a personal account, and we move on. Same thing again tomorrow, guys. So yeah, if you have any questions on this, obviously hit me up in the chat room, and have a lovely day.